if incoming calls are not being displayed on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So the first thing which you can do is check if you do not have DND mode enabled, because if you do, then most of the time you will not be able to see these incoming calls. You might not notice them. So for example, the easiest way to check if DND is on is by going to quick settings, and over here if you have the DND mode added. If not, then of course we can edit it and find in system toggles, and in here of course we can enable or disable DND. We can also just use volume button, volume up or down, and then in here we have this moon icon, which is of course DND. So if it's activated, we want to turn it off. However, if you actually didn't have DND activated, therefore it is not the reason why you don't see incoming calls, then what you can do instead, or what you can do next actually, is go to settings. Then over here we're gonna open apps. Let's go to the apps list and tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose show all apps. By doing so, we will see all hidden apps, system apps as well. Now in here we're gonna use this search, and first we're gonna call, and we will find a bunch of different apps like the manage calls option. And in this case we want to tap on clear data in the bottom right corner, and we want to clear all data in here. There we go. And then we're gonna type phone, and we should be able to find a bunch of different phone apps. First, let's go to the main phone app up here, this one. In this case, you want to force stop it if possible. Then clear the data, clear everything, and press OK. And also you might need to go to permissions. Make sure that these permissions are granted. If some of them are not granted, then you might need to tap on the permission and allow the permission to be used by the app. Location and nearby devices are not really required, but these over here should be granted. And then also we can go to notifications, and you want to make sure that these notifications are enabled, pretty much every single one of them. All right, and after that we can go back. Then we're gonna go to this hyperphone if you have it, and then we're gonna clear data and clear everything again. Press OK. Then we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage, clear data again. There we go. Phone services, do the same thing, clear data, clear all data, and press OK. And we also have Xiaomi phone. In this case I cannot really clear it, so we probably don't need to do that over here. And after that, once we clear everything, we want to open the phone app, make sure that it is actually opened. And you might notice that we have this old style of the phone app, but that is okay. Of course, we can update it later on. It might be automatically updated later on, so you don't have to worry about it. But after that, you want to check if you can actually see incoming calls, and hopefully this time it will work just fine. You can also perform a restart of the phone just in case as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.